guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I want to show you how I use Serped to keep track of videos on YouTube. So just click on tools, then you go YouTube tracker, and right here you add new video name, and we'll just come here, just do this one, cut and paste, and then the video link. Watch video ID. Okay, so let's just click on it. Watch video. You gotta click on it to watch it. Then you paste. You learn something new every day. And the video has been added successfully. And then it's gonna have the statistics, gonna have the like, dislike, comments over time. It's gonna have the views, keywords. At this point, I'm not tracking any keywords. I'm about to add them, but I can actually. Okay, so YouTube only. Actually, I want the whole thing because that way I know if it's actually made it into. This is the one thing that I wish, and this like every tracker does the same thing. They only track it on certain indexes, and I understand because Google has a different index for every country and languages. So it is what it is. And then I'm gonna have it there, and then enter keywords. So one of the things I'm gonna use the name of the tool. Sorry about that. And then serve tutorial. And then serve long keyword search tutorial. Okay, and whatever else you want to do, you want to track, and then just 3. Okay. And then going forward, it's going to keep track. It's going to show what's on keywords on page 1, rankings up, down, anything unchanged. It's going to show here. And if there's search volume, competition, CPC, check all that stuff. So yeah, it's pretty neat. And this is actually my first YouTube video here that I've added to the tool. But it's as simple as clicking here and adding it. I have 100 credits, so I can add, and here it's going to show me, the position breakdown for all my videos, which is really nice. It's going to show me average position, so it's neat that I'll be able to know, which videos are doing better than which, but also on average how I'm doing on the YouTube, video posting game. Yeah. All right, I hope you found this video helpful. If you haven't gotten Serped and you want to get it, please click down below. It's an affiliate link. And yeah, it helps my channel so that we can continue to post tutorials and help you rank on Google. All right, I see you in the next video. Bye.